Do you want me to leave you alone?
To Kenny's computer building tutorial. So what you're going to need is a hard drive that's not working, a motherboard. This, I usually just use this for poking. I don't know what else it's used for besides
Poking?
that. Yeah, poking, yeah, like
You just...
yeah. And then this vacuum.
What do you do with that vacuum?
Sometimes I play with it. Nothing else though.
Is that it?
Yep.
That's a computer?
For the most part. Yeah.
Wait, no, dead ass?
No.
So, how do you start the computer building process?
Motherboard, and then you get yourself some RAM. Some RAM. Put that on there. This is a processor. This is actually, they're really, really delicate and they break easily. So we just chuck that one on there. What else we got? Don't look in there. That's, ooh, no.
Is that an iPhone?
It was an iPod Touch. And my flip phone. And my other iPod Touch. Oh my god, it's so small.
Would you say that your big hands make it hard to build tiny, delicate computers?
Sometimes my big hands get in the way, but other times they're nice and cushiony feely. Especially when you're building computers and need to put them in tight spaces. It's not fitting. I think I have to just shrink it down a little bit. And there we go. There we go. Okay. I don't know. We don't need that yet. So we.
Did you just fucking snap that in half?
That one?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Yeah, no.
Um.
It's dual channel, so you can put them in both without any fuss. One of my greatest inspirations is Steve Jobs. I believe that he's I got a lot of my building techniques from him. The way that he does things efficiently. So like you put your CPU in. Ooh, that fell. You don't want that to fall. It hurts if you touch it. There you go. Nope. Ah, jeez. So the whole point is that you want to line it up, and you don't want to touch the gold parts. That's the big thing. Like you don't want to touch ever.
Why? What happens?
Really bad. It ruins almost immediately.
Oh, okay.
So it's similar to putting a child in a seat in a car. A lot of people compare it to that.
Kenny, you just smacked an iPod into the goddamn motherboard.
It's an iPod 3!
So?
That justifies
technology!
it?
Yes. It doesn't work anymore. It's so small. I remember them being so big.
So think about an iPod.
You were also small when you had it.
That's true. Like this, the fucking Apple Clicker.
Hey, did you build this?
What?
Did you build that?
I built that
You
just
built-
the same way I did this one.
Oh, so it doesn't work.
It works perfectly fine. Look,
Prove it.
I'm able to browse the internet.
Can you play games on it?
No.